Today we're going to talk about creating custom products in Shopify using the Custom Price Calculator Shopify app. This app was built out of our own personal necessity. As Shopify merchants, we wanted to offer our customers a user-friendly way to order products sized to their own individual specifications, with the pricing to match accordingly. In the example today, we will be creating a simple calculator that will calculate the price of a product based on total square foot calculated by the shopper's inputs. But the same concepts can be applied to any custom product you want to sell on your store. Let's get started. As you can see, there's a drag and drop canvas, and there are different elements on the side. In our example, we will only use a few elements. In the first step, though, we will insert the different elements the shopper will need to input on the product page. First, we will put a number input. We will call it length in feet, and we will give it a minimum value of 1. Then we will insert another one. We'll call it width in feet. We will also give that a minimum value of 1. And lastly, we will insert a drop down to allow the user to select different colors. And we will have red with a value of 1, blue with a value of 2, and let's do green with a value of 3. Now that we've built the calculator, we need to have the formula. Here we will do the math required to get to the final price of the product. As I will type, you will see the formula builder autofill based on the different element names. So I'll start with length times width times color. And further down, I can select the prefix. It can be dollars, euros, whatever I want, the formula label, the number of decimals I want to allow in my calculation, and the suffix. In this case, we can just leave it blank. Now I'll do a quick preview. And I will see as I change the different inputs, the color changes. If I change this, it will also change. In the next step, I will want to apply this to a specific product on my Shopify store. So I go to products, I will select custom product, and I will select save. Once saved, I can go to that product page, wait a few seconds, and then you'll see it load. And as I change the insert values, the price changes. That is all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can build a calculator that will allow you to sell custom products on Shopify. If you have any questions about this process or any of our other features, please reach out to us. You can install the app and start a free trial directly on the Shopify store. Thank you for watching.